Are you finding it difficult to stay positive? Or maybe you wake up feeling great, but then as the day goes by, doubts start creeping in. And by night's end, you're questioning whether or not your dreams will ever manifest. Or maybe you are struggling to deny the reality of your senses while you're trying to manifest and attract abundance. Well, stick around because I'm going to help you keep the negativity and doubts at bay and raise your energy so that you can continue manifesting and attracting abundance. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and I'm an EFT master practitioner and author of the young adult fantasy series Agents of Karma. And on this channel, I teach all things tapping. So, as you already know, or maybe not, when it comes to manifesting, two things are essential. One, you must live from the end as if you already have whatever it is you want to manifest. And two, you have to live in a state of gratitude. Why gratitude? Well, because you already manifested what you want. That's the living from the end. And also, gratitude is one of the highest vibrational frequencies you can be at. Neville Goddard's rules for manifesting: deny the reality of your senses. So when you're living from the end, you have to deny everything that's happening around you. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. I have had a struggle with that. Has been a struggle for me. And probably you too, or you wouldn't be watching this video. But that's where EFT is a game changer. And Neville didn't talk about EFT. So tapping not only helps to keep the negativity at bay and the doubts, but it also raises our energy and it gets our vibrational frequency up to higher levels like gratitude, which is where we can manifest things. So that's what I'm going to help you do today. We're going to tap to raise your energy in times of doubt. And sleight of hand, even though I find myself struggling to stay positive and keep my eye on the prize, I choose to forgive myself for entertaining doubts and negativity. Even though I've given doubts power over me, and I actually start to believe when they tell me that I will never manifest my dreams, I choose to give myself a break because I'm doing the best I can. Even though I'm struggling to remain positive and confident, and I succumb to doubts more often than not, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and forgive myself. So we're going to go to the eyebrow, and you can either tap on both sides or one side because the body is a mirror for the eyebrow. I start off the day strong and positive, side of the eye. But then reality rears its ugly head and reminds me I don't actually have what I want. Under the eye, I try to remind myself that it's just doubt. And then I get back on the manifesting train. Under the nose. And then reality shows up and asks me, how long have I been waiting around for my dreams to manifest? Chin. And then I realize it's been longer than I anticipated. And then perhaps that means my dreams will never manifest. Collarbone. And then I start to hear and read stories of others manifesting their dreams instantly, quickly, under the arm. But not me. I'm here, waiting. I'm still waiting, universe. Wrist. And then I remind myself that everyone's journey is different. And I feel better. Top of the head. Until something crappy happens in my waking reality. that reminds me of what I don't have, but desperately want. And this is all in the span of a day. And then I go to bed. Eyebrow. And then the desperation to manifest my dreams builds and builds. And I get frustrated and sometimes angry and sad. Side of the eye, all this doubt. Under the eye, why can't I just ignore my current reality? Under the nose. And then doubt says in return, if only it were that easy. Chin. But what if it is that easy? Collarbone. If I live from the end, then in the subconscious reality, my subconscious reality, which is where things manifest first, before the outer reality, I already have what I want to manifest. Under the arm. And since I already have what I want to manifest, then why would I even entertain the doubt? Wrist. Because if I look around right now, I don't have what I want yet. Top of the head. And then the doubt wins. All this doubt. Eyebrow. But what if my dreams are on their way to me? And the universe is conspiring at this very moment and aligning with my dream and setting things up. Side of the eye. And my doubt is negating all that. Under the eye. I want to believe that my dreams are on their way to manifesting in my outer reality. Under the nose. I've played the doubting game, and it's brought me nothing but unhappiness. So what if I change things up? Chin. Doubt has done more harm than good. I want to be positive. I want to try that out. Collarbone. What if I get rid of the doubt? I choose to get rid of the doubt. Under the arm. I choose to remove doubt from every fiber of my being. Wrists. Doubt is not welcome in my body, my mind, or my soul. Top of the head. I choose to be positive and excited for all the success, abundance, joy, and love I can attract. Eyebrow. I take back my power. I'm in charge, not doubt. And for that, I am filled with gratitude. Side of the eye. I feel so incredibly empowered and grateful in this moment that I get to choose how I feel. Under the eye. So I choose to feel fantastic and excited and grateful. Under the nose. I am a magnet to my dreams and all the good and abundance the world has to offer. Chin. It doesn't matter what reality shows me. I'm living from the end where I already have manifested my dreams. Collarbone. Whatever reality is around me at this moment, I am reminding myself that it is only temporary. It's only temporary until my outer reality catches up to my amazing inner reality, where my dreams have already manifested. Under the arm. As within, so without. I already have manifested my dreams. So now all I need to do, all I ever needed to do, was live from the end, rest, and wait for my outer reality to match up to my inner reality. It's only a matter of time. But what matters is that I already have manifested my dreams, or something even better than I have imagined. Top of the head. Feel amazing, grateful, excited, and unstoppable. And I am open and receptive to receive endless abundance and golden opportunities. I have manifested my dreams. Press down, and I want you to take in a deep breath for me. And now hold for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale. Good job. The minute you start feeling doubt, what are you going to do? You're going to tap, 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 and tap. If you're at work, tap at your desk. I've had to do that before. It was the only thing that kept me sane. Go to your car on a break. Tap in the morning, tap in the afternoon, tap at night. Trust me, it is going to help. So I want you to keep imagining and feeling your manifestation, whatever it is. Feel it. Feel the joy and the excitement. Deny the reality of your senses. So good job again and happy manifesting, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching.